Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete YouTube search history, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your YouTube search history, first open up your YouTube app on your phone, and over here guys you'll be required to tap on your profile picture of YouTube at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap where it says the U at the bottom right, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it, and over here you will be able to find your data in YouTube. You can see just below the manage all history. Tap on your data in YouTube, and from over here guys we'll be required to scroll down until we can find manage your YouTube search history. Over here you can see, tap on the manage your YouTube search history, and all of your search history will be available over here on YouTube. Now in order to delete it, you can see the delete option available for us at the right side of that. Tap on the delete, and you will be able to either delete today or of custom rates from when do you want to delete, after when do you want to delete, and let's go back or delete all the search history. And with that being done guys, choose your time from which you want to delete your search history on YouTube, and if that deleted like that, and then your search history on YouTube will be deleted. And then guys, this is how to delete your YouTube search history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.